How to close WhatsApp business hours. Remove business hours in 2026. Want to remove or turn off business hours in WhatsApp Business? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Business Settings. Open WhatsApp Business. Tap the three dots top right. Tap Settings. Step 2. Open Business Tools. Tap Business Tools. Tap Business Profile. Step 3. Remove business hours. Tap Business Hours. Select Always Open or by appointment only, or turn off Set Business Hours if the option appears. Tap Save. Step 4. Turn off Away Message if using hours for auto replies. Go back to Business Tools, tap Away Message, and turn it off. This stops automatic messages based on business hours. Final summary: Settings, Business Tools, Business Profile, Business Hours, disable or change to Always Open. Your business hours will now be removed from WhatsApp Business.